Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Nail Art. Let's started. When it comes to aligning good ideas, information and photos about nails, doing them professionally, keeping them in a tip top shop, and holding tight to the latest styles. All these top nail blogs will help you see how to current professional do to right. When you also to see the nail techniques promotes themselves to attract positively. Are you are trying to find the around nail tech training in your areas? Or you are trying to compare nail courses of a found out your and current nail technique story it. We can help to you contact to a beauty schools and offer nail designing programs of students. A polish problem. Stay at the home mom Megan a self pre-cleaning nail polish addict. Share her annual obsession with doing product. This a polish problem is like having your a personal shopper. Megan's tried to a nail product and given honest feedback about her experience. You decorated the best product over there and get great how to use advanced tool. With every polish river Megan posts a full color photos every fun after to a club and looked at the polish really looked like once it is out the pot. A polish program shares stories and honest photos and infections and documents our struggle and success in encouraging coming them on the first anniversary and the blog claimed one lucky members with a fabulous giveaway biscuits.